Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the tool. Pexels, known for its extensive library of free stock photos and videos, has recently launched a new AI image generator, located at pexels.com/re. This exciting new tool allows users to create unique images from just a text prompt, opening up a world of possibilities for content creators, bloggers, and anyone in need of visuals. This AI image generator isn't just about creating pretty pictures. It's about providing users with the power to visualize their ideas quickly and easily. Imagine needing an image of a cat wearing a top hat riding a unicorn through a rainbow. Instead of spending hours searching for the perfect, unlikely non-existent image, you can simply type that phrase into Pexels AI and watch as your whimsical vision comes to life. The interface is remarkably user-friendly. You type in your desired image description, be as specific or as abstract as you like, and the AI gets to work. Within seconds, it generates several variations of your prompt, offering a range of styles and interpretations. This allows you to choose the image that best suits your needs, ensuring a perfect fit for your project. Beyond single image generation, Pexels AI also offers features like image variations and related searches. If you find an image you like but want a slightly different angle, color palette, or composition, you can easily generate variations of that image. The related searches feature helps you explore different visual concepts and discover new creative avenues. Pexels' foray into AI image generation is a game-changer for visual content creation. By providing a free, accessible, and powerful tool, Pexels empowers users to bring their imaginative visions to life with unprecedented ease and speed. It's an invaluable resource for anyone seeking high-quality, royalty-free images, and it's definitely worth exploring. So head over to pexels.com/re and see what you can create.